boys and girls, here is our grammar paper for Thursday. Our directions say, is the underlined contraction written correctly? Write yes if it is, write no if it is not. So if we look at number 1, I'm going to go to space camp this summer. Underlined contraction is I'm. I''. That is correct. So I'm going to write yes on the line. You're going to finish those up for 2, 3, 4, 5. Part B, write the contraction for the underlined words. You are going to love our new city park. You are is underlined. If we turn it into a contraction, we have U''RE because the A is popping out. If we need help on these ones down here, we can always go back into our packet, and they gave us lots of examples on the first couple pages of contractions that you can go back and look at. Once you have that all complete, your grammar packet should be complete for the week, so please make sure that it gets into your folder so that I can grade it. Thank you.